Welcome, adventurers. Today, we embark on a voyage into the future, exploring 8 groundbreaking technologies that are poised to revolutionize our world in 2024 and beyond. From the depth of artificial intelligence to the height of quantum computing, we'll delve into the realm of the unknown, uncovering the potential for radical change. Starting the list with artificial intelligence. Imagine intelligent machine learning adapting and even making decisions like human. Artificial intelligence is bringing this vision to life, transforming industries across the board. In 2024, expect artificial intelligence to personalize our experience, from tailoring newsfeed to anticipating shopping needs. Healthcare will benefit from AI-powered diagnostics and robot assisting surgeons. Education will be revolutionized with AI tutors adapting learning to individuals' needs and styles. Number 2. Extended reality. Go beyond the limitations of physical world with XR, blurring the lines between reality and digital environments. Virtual reality, AR and MR are poised to reshape our experiences. Imagine attending live events virtually, exploring historical landmarks with AR overlays, and collaborating on projects in immersed visual real worlds. XR will revolutionize training and education, allowing individuals to practice complex procedures in safe and controlled virtual environment. Number 3. Biotechnology. From gene editing to bioprinting, biotechnology is pushing the boundaries of human understanding and capability, rewriting the rules of medicine and agriculture. In 2024, breakthroughs in gene therapy offer hope for the treatment of previously incurable diseases. Gene-edited crops promise increased yield and resistance to pests and diseases. Bioprinting technology advances, offering the potential to create organs and tissue for transplantation, potentially eliminating organ donor shortages. Number 4. Quantum computing. Harnessing the power of quantum mechanics, quantum computers are poised to solve problems that are impossible for classic computers, opening doors to groundbreaking advancements. In 2024, expect quantum computing to accelerate scientific research, leading to the development of new materials with superior properties and the discovery of life-saving drugs. Financial market will be revolutionized with quantum computing, enabling complex simulations and unparalleled accuracy in financial modeling. Number 5. Blockchain. The technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Blockchain offers a secure and transparent way to track and verify transactions, with the potential to disrupt established industries. In 2024, blockchain moves beyond finance, transforming supply chain management with verifiable tracking of goods and services. Digital identities become secure and verifiable with blockchain, protecting individuals from identity theft and fraud. Voting systems become tamper-proof and transparent, ensuring trust and fairness in the democratic process. Number 6. Robotics. From autonomous vehicle navigating our streets to robots assisting in surgery, robots is playing an increasingly important role in our lives. In 2024, expect robots to become more sophisticated and integrated into various sectors. Automation will reshape manufacturing, with robots performing tasks currently too dangerous or tedious for humans. Robotics will revolutionize healthcare, with robotic surgeons performing delicate procedures with unmatched precision. Number 7. Internet of Things. The network of connected devices, from smart homes to wearable technology, is expanding rapidly, transforming the way we interact with our environment. In 2024, expect the IoT to become even more pervasive, with smart devices seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. Home will become automated and energy efficient, with appliances and devices communicating and adjusting to our needs. Cities will be transformed into smart cities, with intelligent infrastructure optimizing traffic flow, energy usage, and public safety. Number 8. 3D printing. From creating customized prosthetics to printing complex tools and objects, 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing and design. In 2024, expect 3D printing technology to become more affordable and accessible, making it available to a wider range of users. Business will utilize 3D printing for prototyping and on-demand production, reducing costs and time to market. 3D printing will democratize design and innovation, allowing individuals to create and customize objects at home. These eight technologies are not isolated entities. They are interconnected and will likely coverage, creating even more powerful and transformative solution. Imagine artificial intelligence algorithms powered by quantum computing leading to breakthrough in various fields. This is just the beginning of a revolution. We stand at a precipice of a future brimming with possibilities, and it's up to us to shape it. Embrace these technologies. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe Zifo Informational for more insightful content. Till then, see you again.